This is a video of how I designed and created a rudder system for my Perception Pescador 12.0 kayak. This is a paper template cut out. I'm going to take a piece of 4-inch PVC, take a chunk of it off, slice it down, and then flatten it out. And I'll make my rudder system out of that. This is kind of showing you how it's going to work. There's a paper version of what it's going to look like. I wanted to make sure it was going to fit around the 4-inch pipe, and there's my chunk cut, and then I'll split it open and heat it. While you're heating this, you probably want to wear gloves because it gets pretty hot. I'll take a large board and lay it under the board, stand on the board to flatten it out completely. Then this piece is going to be folded. It's going to be heated in the middle and folded, and then the template will be laid over it and cut. This is 1-inch PVC that I used to make the rudder because I wanted the rudder made out of thinner PVC so it wouldn't be so heavy. The only part that needed to be flattened out was the middle part because the ends are going to get cut off anyway. Here's a section of the rudder. I'm only using one side of that because the rudder is going to have a bell shape to it. This is the PVC line drawn out and ready to be cut. And here coming up, it'll show where I heated it and folded it and gave it its final design. So enjoy the video, and at the end you'll see a video of the completed system. Coming up, you're going to see a couple of photos of my completed rudder system. Actually, at the end here, you'll have a video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and if you can, send me $1. Here's the completed rudder system. I've spring-loaded it. Snaps down, so when you get ready to go kayaking, I'm going to adjust this to where it closes a little more. Here's the steering. Of course, I spring-loaded the pedals. So as you push one down, the other one stretches. So and then they have a neutral point right there. And the rudder is all done with weed eater line. That way, weed eater line and large crimps. And that's the rudder system. All from scratch, all made out of PVC.